Hi, Chef Kids. Are you ready for today's learning? What do you know about plants? Do you have any plants at home? What kind of plants do you have at your house? There are so many varieties of plants. Can you name some? There are aquatic plants, there are bulbs, cacti, and succulents. There are climbers and ferns, and so much more. Look at all the plants around you. What do you think makes them grow? They grow by the science of photosynthesis. It is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Imagine the leaves are little chefs that take in sunlight and water from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air. They then mix them all together to create food for the plant and oxygen, which is the air we breathe. It's a special recipe that only plants can make, and it helps them grow and gives us fresh air to enjoy. Okay, so first, in photosynthesis, plants need water. Water carries essential nutrients from the soil to the plant. Plants need light. It is the process plants use to make their food. Plants need light for photosynthesis. Plants need air. Plants need air to breathe. They need oxygen to change their food into energy. Plants need nutrients. Nutrients are substances that help plants to grow and stay healthy. Plants need space to grow. The roots of plants and leaves need space so that they can spread out and absorb water and nutrients. What do you think will happen if plants don't receive what they need to grow? What do you think would happen to you if you didn't get what you needed to grow? Do you think plants that do not receive water and light and space and nutrients and air will be happy plants or sad plants? What kind of plants do you want? Do you want happy plants or do you want sad plants? So what did you learn from your activity today? Write down on your guide what plants need to grow. Happy spring, Chef Kids! Included in your Steam in the Kitchen Club package that you got in the mail is a tomato plant for you to grow your own fruits at home. We're going to place our pellet in the plastic cup or glass jar. Add 3/4 cup of water into that jar. Watch the water dissolve into the pellet. Wow! Fluff your soil with a fork. Open your seed packet. Dig a small 1/4 inch well with the fork. Pour the seeds inside, then fluff again with the fork. Place your plant near a windowsill to get the best air and sunlight. Seeds will germinate in 7 to 14 days. You want to read your Chef Kids guide you received in the mail to grow your tomato plant at home. And like we just learned, what does your plant need? It needs, say it with me, water, because water carries the essential nutrients from the soil to the plant. You don't want to overwater your plant, so make sure to check out your guide on how to care for your tomato plant. It needs light, because light is the process plants use to make their food. Also, check out your guide to know how much sunlight and air that your plant needs. It needs air. Plants need air to breathe. They need oxygen to change their food into energy. Your plant needs nutrients. Nutrients are substances that help plants to grow and stay healthy. Your plant might need fertilizer, it might need compost. You'll have to read more and investigate, what does my tomato plant need? Your plant also needs space to grow so that the roots of the plant and the leaves can be spaced out so they can absorb water and nutrients and grow, grow, grow. Your tomato plant also needs space to grow. So when it starts to grow inside of your pot that you planted it in first, you might have to transfer it to a bigger pot. Ask your mom or your dad or your guardian, grandparent, uncle, aunt, what you should do next after your plant starts to get larger. Remember, God wants you to have space and light and air and water and space to grow and nutrients to make you strong and healthy. Thanks for watching, Chef Kids. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button for the next video. Also, you should join the Steam in the Kitchen Club to get fun prizes in the mail each month. Ask your parent or guardian if you can join the club. See you guys next month.